So why do I not have my expensive custom 65% keyboard in my gaming setup and this cheaper TKL in my editing setup? Well, while I do spend some of my time in here gaming on the second setup, I spend the majority of my day at my main setup editing videos, responding to emails and messages, writing scripts. So I want to spend that time using my expensive, nice sounding, nice feeling custom keyboard. And then when I do jump across for gaming, I've got my quick and easy to use gaming keyboard that also fits the aesthetic of this setup.